Hi guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna show you how to clean the air conditioning filter in Land Cruiser Prado 2016 model. So just remove the controller, squeeze it. Okay. So now you have to squeeze the both side of the glove box like this. Now you can see the clip here. Just remove the cover, take out the filter. Alright, that's the way. Alright, so you can see all the dirt and things. Alright, so you can just clean it or change the filter. Show you how dusty is it. Have a look. Look at this. Look at the dirt is coming out. The dust and things. Look at that. Do you see it? Look at the way it is. You can see the dust, the pollen and small insects. Everything is here. You can change it or clean properly and put that back on. I'm going to reuse it this time. Alright, so just do like this. Use a brush, something like this. Take out all the dust and things. Alright, you can see it's clearing. Alright, simply. You can see all the dust and things are coming out. Alright. Now you can see it's not that bad now. It's not dirty. I just clean each and everything. I just remove all the dust and things. But still, the shops are open and I'm going to change it. Which is very important, someone with allergic asthma or something. And I'm going to put that back on. So you can see there is an arrow up, so it has to go this way. Well, putting into there, straight, go straight like this. Alright, just lock it. This is the lead. Push that in. Now this is the time for the glove box. So you have to align the slots. Alright, slots are there. Now you have to push the controller. Put that in, that's it. Lock in. There we go, that's it. So nice and easy. So please do the work yourself and enjoy the spring season in Australia. Thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy your day.